As kids, police used to drive down the street and give us baseball cards. Once we became teenagers, they kicked the doors open and racially profiled us. Stopped us, asked us questions, presuming we fit the profile of gang members.
And all you did was grow up.
That's all I did. But culturally, we understand that by us doing minimal things, driving, walking down the street, you may run into a police officer that's going to stop you for no reason. However, you do have good cops. We just don't get to see them that often. I think another thing is the police officers that police our neighborhoods don't reside in our neighborhoods.
Why is that important to you?
Because they will understand the issues that we deal with on a daily basis.
How about if they were in your neighborhoods, they would actually do it?
That too. I think that just us looking the way that we do as human beings, we want to have an open decorum as, you know, we bleed the same color red. That's true. But living in different sub-cities or cities, you get treated differently. And that's just on the civic level, with police. But then when you actually go to jail, I'm not trying to brag, I've been in prison a couple of times. But you get treated differently as an inmate than you get treated with a police officer. And then the Constitution is you're not supposed to hold anyone over an excessive amount of bail. Well, $10,000 is a lot for a person who comes from South Central California and their mom can barely afford to put clothes on their back. Then you have entities like a bail bond that tells you can put up 1%. That's another way of actually taking money from the family that's still not going to be able to do anything for that individual at the end of the day. So the system itself is flawed from the beginning. That's just how I feel. And
is it flawed, or is it working the way it was intended?
Well, it's not working to rehabilitate a person or give a person a fair shot.
Was it ever designed to do that?
No, I don't think that it was, but it's progeny. If you look at the way law enforcement came about, it was brought to catch runaway slaves. After slaves were freed, the first prison went up. It's for me, it's just a spiral downward. Instead of slavery with people picking cotton, you have slaves that's mass incarcerated that do free labor for other people in big corporations, and they're getting pennies on the dollar. I was fighting fire. I was in 3 fire camps. I got paid $1 an hour, while CCC and CDF got paid $20 an hour to do the same thing I did, but I did most of the work.